Let's face it, not every man is born with good looks and charisma. In reality, many men are born without one or the other. But does that mean you'll be stuck in your apartment for the rest of your life, with just Netflix and your pet hamster to keep you company? Well, if you listen carefully, you just might escape that horrible fate. Hello everyone. My name is Dave. In this video we will look at 15 easy hacks that make men more attractive to women. Make sure to watch this video to the end, as number 15 will surely surprise you. Before we start, hit the like and subscribe button. It's free and it will help me to grow this channel. While appearances are essential to both men and women, they are far from the most significant factor when it comes to choosing a mate. The science of sexual attraction is complicated, involving a variety of elements such as how you smell, the curve of your jaw, and even the color of your shirt. Though you may not have a striking likeness to Tom Hardy or the same charisma, there are still lots of methods to make yourself more appealing if you don't have the elusive ability of seduction. Here are 15 ways to find the girl of your dreams, whether it's in a bar, a park, or on a hookup or dating app. Number 1. Get her to chuckle. Everyone desires a companion who shares their sense of humor. Lean in if you're the funny guy among your buddies. Even science advises you to. In a 2006 research study published in Evolution and Human Behavior, participants were asked how much they appreciate their partner's ability to make them laugh, and the results, unsurprisingly, indicated that women value their partner's capacity to make them laugh. It's a very attractive attribute if you can make people laugh. Number 2. Be courteous. It turns out that nice guys don't always come in last. Recently, an American university conducted a poll of 800 people in order to better understand the link between altruism, attraction, and sex. The researchers inquired about the individual's sexual histories as well as how often they perform unselfish actions such as charity work and blood donation. People who do nice things for the purpose of being good, it turns out, get laid more. Also, while the research didn't look into it, we're ready to guess that selfless people are also unselfish lovers, considering their partner's needs, which is appealing. Number 3. Don't forget to spritz yourself with a manly scent. Cologne or a distinctive spray are alluring to women, but not for the reasons you would assume. According to a study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science, it has nothing to do with pheromones or natural smells. Participants in the research who were given a spritz of fragrance expressed increased self-confidence and claimed they felt more beautiful. The findings don't stop there. When a group of women saw a silent film of males wearing the fragrance, they evaluated them as hotter than those who weren't wearing any. This implies that when you feel more sexy and confident, women notice and find you more appealing. There's also the added benefit of smelling lovely instead of like your workout bag. Number 4. Travel with a group of people. If you're going out, enlist the help of a few friends to be your wingman. People were judged to be more attractive in group pictures than in solo ones, according to a research from the University of California in San Diego. The researchers attribute it to something known as the cheerleader effect. People appear more beautiful in groups because looking at their faces together makes them look more like the group average, which can help even out any ugly peculiarities. This does not apply to dating apps, where a group photo should never be used. Number 5. Make a baby buddy. Though traveling with a group is always a good idea, your best wingman could be a baby. According to French research, men who were kind to babies were 3 times more likely to get a woman's phone number than those who disregarded the babies. In fact, when they observed males smiling, cooing, and conversing with the children, 40% of women handed up their digits. So, if you have a niece or nephew that you adore, offer to babysit every now and again. It's a win-win situation for everyone because their parents will most likely appreciate the assistance. Number 6. Take your dog for a walk. According to the same French study, women were 3 times more likely to offer their phone numbers to a man on the street who approached them with a dog than if he approached them alone. According to the study, dogs can assist in lubricating a social interaction by increasing impressions of compassion, thoughtfulness, and sensitivity. Number 7. Take a vacation from your razor. According to Australian study, women find males with a few days of beard growth stubble to be more attractive than those with a lighter shadow, a full beard, or a completely shaved face. This is also true for homosexual men, who, according to a Brazilian research study, find bearded males more appealing than clean-shaven men. Number 8. Be aware of your gait. When it comes to attracting women, nothing beats confidence, and one of the easiest ways to assess a man's confidence is to watch how he walks down the street. According to Don Steele, author of Body Language Secrets, a guide, during courtship and dating, women look first at your clothes and then at how you move. People who are confident are not in a rush, but there is a distinction between wandering and going slowly and purposefully. Always walk with the confidence that you know what you're doing and where you're going. Number 9. Carefully craft your dating app profile. According to a poll conducted by dating service Oost, those who used positive adjectives like creative, ambitious, or laugh in their online dating profiles received 33% more replies. Mentioning hobby-related terms like book or read, as well as information on running, jogging, or lifting weights, boosted the message significantly. Just make sure you don't come on too strong. Men whose initial message used terms like dinner or drinks had a response rate of 35% lower. Number 10. Avoid taking selfies. According to a Zeus.com poll, men who posted selfies on their online dating profiles received less replies. A word of warning, women find shirtless selfies very unappealing. Everyone wants to know if someone is in shape and has a good physique, but you can tell just looking at them in clothing. Instead, have a buddy take a photo of you, and while you're doing it, go outside. According to Zeus, men who took their photo outside received 19% more messages. The no shirtless photos rule, however, does not appear to apply to gay dating apps. A study of Grindr users revealed that the majority of users flaunt their bodies and physical fitness on the app, which had no effect on their odds of finding a hookup. Number 11. Smile, but slowly. According to research published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior, men who smiled slowly across their faces were thought to be more beautiful than those who smiled quickly. Slow smiling men were also thought to be more trustworthy, implying that their expressions were more genuine. When creating an online dating profile, it's also vital to smile. I know 14% of people are more likely to be swiped right on if they're smiling, since everyone understands smiling connotes warmth and approachability. Number 12. Be powerful, but not overly so. Women evaluated built males as more sexually attractive than thin, non-muscled slender guys or larger, more muscled brawny dudes, according to a UCLA research. According to the researchers, it's similar to the Goldilocks effect. Women like a certain amount of muscle, but not too much. On gay dating apps, however, men regarded a muscular body as the most appealing characteristic in a man. Number 13. Wear your battle scars proudly. According to a research conducted in the United Kingdom, women found males with little scars on their faces to be more appealing for short-term flings than those without scarring. Scars may be perceived as a sign of increased masculinity by women, according to the study. This is especially true if the markings were caused by trauma, since this might signal the presence of favorable genes or a robust immune system. Number 14. Bring a guitar with you. According to a research published in the journal Psychology of Music, when a male asked for her phone number while carrying a guitar case, she was more than 3 times more likely to give it to him as when he asked for it while carrying a sports bag. According to the study, axe men are typically regarded as cool and fun. Furthermore, musical talent may indicate greater IQ and excellent genes, 2 traits valued by women when selecting a spouse. Number 15. Man-spreading isn't always a bad thing. Researchers from the United Kingdom observed that women thought males who sat with an open body posture, legs spread, arms stretched out, and made hand gestures were sexier than men who sat with their knees together and arms folded. According to the experts, open body language is an indication of authority. Okay guys. That's it. I hope you enjoyed these 15 easy hacks to appear more attractive. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.